The distinct innovation of the original Qwerkywriter was its keycap design, and the Qwerkywriter S takes full advantage of it. So let's take a look at these keycaps. The Qwerkywriter S keycaps are two-piece ABS plastic with an automotive-grade electroplated outer piece. That's just jargon speak for the chrome plating is extremely durable and will not fade. Notice that the space bar is now also fully chrome framed. Some folks have asked why the keycaps are not made entirely of metal. There are a number of reasons why, but the most important fact you should be aware of was the weight. The additional actuation force that the weight of most metal composites would have wreaked havoc with our switches. So we chose the right amount of keycap weight to work in harmony with our mechanical switches. Speaking of mechanical switches, let's talk about the new Cherry MX switches in the new Qwerkywriter S. The Cherry MX clicky blue switches are the quintessential mechanical switch. There are many great switches out there for sure, but if you had to choose one, Cherry MX Blue is the one you want. And its signature click alongside our aluminum chassis gives our Qwerkywriter a unique, distinct tactile feel and sound you won't get from any other keyboards. Finally, because our keycaps are removable and the key stems are uniform in length, you can feel free to swap and move keycaps around as you see fit. It can support all sorts of layouts, including Dvorak and Colmac. You'll have to set your OS to the appropriate input source to support specific layouts. For example, in Mac OS, you can add the Dvorak layout in the keyboard preferences. Then select the layout at the top of the right-hand corner. Now you can type in Dvorak layout.